Start recording. Stop recording.
Hey guys, when I do videos on YouTube, it sometimes crashes and goes to FaceTime on my phone. But this is how to make your sink make a belch noise.
Okay, so first of all, we've got the water in the sink. Then you pull down, you press down
Adam.
the lever, lift up the plug, and then you get this. But I reckon we can do bigger.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's do bigger, shall we?
yeah.
Here we go.
Hopefully it doesn't go to FaceTime again.
And hopefully the plug doesn't get stuck, because that's the last thing we want. And plus we don't want to. Flood the floor, do we?
No.
That would be quite bad.
Stop record camera chooser.
That's
Front facing
it.
button.
Ready, Jordan?
Ready?
Here we go. This is how to do an even bigger burp. Like this. Don't know if it'll be the same as the last one or bigger. Was that the same or bigger?
Bigger?
Think that should do it for now.
Please like, comment and subscribe. And Baby Yoda, what do you have to say?
And if we get our first 100 subscribers, you get to watch me or listen to me playing Bucket live on Jordan's channel. Isn't that right, Jordan?
Yeah.
So, like, subscribe, and if you're lucky, you might get to listen to a Bucket game. It's very easy to do.
Stop recording.